Hi, this is Rob McKenna, and I wanted to give you some quick insight into how to use the goal setting tool inside of the Wild Toolkit. Now, you can see that we're on my dashboard right now on my phone, but it will function very similar on a desktop or a laptop. And you see over on the left-hand side, when you're on your dashboard or anywhere on the site, if you click on that target symbol on the left, it'll first bring up a moment that matters, and this is where you can actually document some experience or something important or a moment of awareness as you're using the tools or you're in conversations with a peer, a mentor, or a significant person in your life or a coworker, you could document something there, and that will be saved in a moment that matter feedback report that will be saved onto your bookshelf. But if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that there is a goal setting tool, and here I'm going to share the goal setting tool as the goal that I am going to set right now, just as an example for you. And then excited to do this. I'm going to document this as well, and then you'll see that I'm able to make any kind of note or description. I'm able to document that. This for me is a work-related goal, and then I'm also urgency is let's do it now. It's very important, and in terms of difficulty, this is something that's pretty easy, so I'll categorize it that way. And then I'm excited about it. This is great to get this done, and we're going to get this done today. So I'm going to click Add this goal at the bottom, and so that goal should now be documented. So if you click on View Your Goals, there's two ways to get to the goals, either View Your Goals, or if you click up on the menu in the left-hand side, I can actually also click on the Goals title in the menu there. And you can see that it brings me into the goal setting tool. And you'll see right there that there's different categories. So I'm going to click on Work because that's where we've just set that goal, which is going to bring up, you see that there's the goal that I've just now documented. And I can list whether it's done, it's not quite done yet. But here's what's really cool, you guys, is that setting goals becomes a really powerful process. We know this that if you set, document and share a goal, that you're 25% more likely to actually do it. And so I can actually share. If I click share in that goal, I can share this goal with anyone in my network. Now, I'm going to share this with our Chief Commercial Officer, Daniel Halleck. And so he's going to get an email that says that I share this goal with him. So I know the email that he uses for his this is for his Wild Toolkit account, so I have to put that in there. And I can make notes to him. Daniel, so excited for this. And I'm going to say this, if you give me just a second. Can you give me feedback? I'd love to get some feedback on his thoughts on my particular goal. So he's going to get a note with that information. If he's not a Wild Toolkit user, he can get access, even though he doesn't have access to the feedback reports, but free access to the goal setting tool just by creating an account. You just need to know the email that he uses. So I'm going to send, you can see actually I've got people that I've already listed that I could have pulled from down below as well once I've sent the invite. So I'm going to send that invite to Daniel. So he's going to get that email. And by the way, I also get some points. I'll level up in my level of whole leader development. But now that I've shared that goal, I can also see if I click on sent, you can see there's my sent goal to Daniel so that he can give me feedback. Now, the cool thing also is that not only can he give me feedback, but I can give him feedback on his feedback. So it's got this double loop learning process that is absolutely tremendous as a way for us to kind of think and work through our goals. Now, if I go back to that tab, now that I've actually done this and set this, I'm going to click that as done. And so that's going to give me a sense of some progress in the goals that I'm setting. So I hope this was helpful as you are navigating using the goal setting tool. You can even use this. This is why we made this something that you could link to anytime you're in the site, is that as you're gaining awareness, you can actually document that awareness and set some goals in real time as you work through the process and get intentional about your development as a leader and beyond.